Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video we are just going to be breaking down a profitable day trading strategy that uses the engulfing pattern, the RSI and the EMA together for high probability setups. Now this is a powerful combination for intraday traders looking for structure and clarity in their entries. So we're just going to walk through the full setup step by step right now. First of all, you set up your chart with your EMA and your RSI. So let us add the EMA to the chart. Okay. We just have to set this to 50. We're going to be using the 50 EMA. Okay, just leave this. The type, just put this to EMA, right? Okay, none. Yeah. We're just gonna work with this alone, and I'm just gonna increase the thickness a little bit. Yes. So this is the 50 EMA. As you can see, this will help define the trend. If price is above, we look for buys. If price is below, we look for sells. All right. Then we're also going to add the 14 period RSI relative strength index to the chart. The default is already set to 14. So this gives us momentum confirmation. Okay. Now, in addition to these two indicators, we are going to be working with clean price action. Okay. We need a clean price action chart, no extra clutter. You can use this setup on any time frame of your choice, depending on your trading style. Okay. So the first step is spotting a valid engulfing candle. All right. For a bullish engulfing, you need a green candle to fully cover the body of the previous red candle. And you can see that that is exactly what happened here. All right, you can see that we had a bullish engulfing around here. We had this green candle completely cover the body of the red candle. Okay, now for a bearish engulfing, it's just the other way around. You need the red candle to cover the body of the previous green candle, and you can see that that is exactly what happened here. You see that the red covered the body of the previous green candle. Okay, so this signals a potential reversal or strong continuation. You can see that in this case we had price go down after this engulfing, the bearish engulfing. Then in this case you can see that we had price continue going up after this bullish engulfing. Okay, so it's a very straightforward signal. All right, it's a very straightforward strategy. Okay, meanwhile, when this pattern occurs near a key level, maybe a key support level or resistance level, it is even stronger. All right, when you have a bearish engulfing form around the resistance, it's a stronger signal. And when you have a bullish engulfing form around support, it's a stronger signal. Okay, the next thing for you to do is to check the RSI. So for a bullish setup, the RSI should be above 50, and you can see that we had that around here, ideally between 55 and 70. Okay, so that is exactly what we had around here. For your bearish setup, you need your RSI to be below 50. All right, you know, ideally between 45 and 30, and you can see we had something similar around here, right? So we are not using RSI to call overbought or oversold in this strategy. Okay, we are just using it to confirm momentum in the direction of the engulfing pattern. Now, if your RSI is neutral or conflicting, you can skip the trade. Okay. The final confirmation is the 50 EMA. For a long trade, the price should be above the 50 EMA. All right, and the EMA should be sloping upward. And for a short trade, the price should be below the 50 EMA and the EMA should be sloping downwards. Okay, so this keeps us aligned with the broader intraday trend and helps filter out trades that go against market momentum. All right, so here's how you enter. After all three confirmations, that is your engulfing pattern plus your RSI plus your EMA, you wait for the next candle to break in the direction of the setup. Then you can enter on the next, the next candle close or the break of the engulfing candle. So in this case, we can consider entering around here. This was the candle that closed below the 50 EMA, right? You can see this candle was the one that closed below the 50 EMA. So we can enter there, okay? Then you place your stop loss just above the engulfing pattern if it is a sell, all right? If it's a sell, you can place it just above the engulfing pattern. If it's a buy trade, of course, the reverse is the case. You're going to place it just, below the engulfing pattern, right? So that is for a buy. Let's see. For a buy, you enter after the candle closes above the EMA, and then your stop loss is going to be below the engulfing pattern, right? And then your take profit, you can actually use a fixed risk reward ratio, or you look for a reference point for a resistance and place your take profit there. But always make sure that you pay attention to the ongoing trend, okay? It's important to pay attention to trend, right? You have to trade in the direction of the prevailing trend. You can decide to use a risk to reward of maybe 1 to 1.5 or maybe 1 to 2, or thereabouts, okay? Just make sure that your take profit is around a valid zone. How do you know a valid zone? Your take profit, you can look for, just like I said, for a buy trade, you can look for, a resistance zone as a reference point for your take profit. Then for a sell trade, you can look for a support zone as a reference point for your take profit. Okay, stick to the rules. Do not chase. Okay, do not chase trades. All right. This strategy performs best during London and New York sessions when volume and volatility are high. Avoid choppy consolidations or low volume periods. Stick to trending environments where engulfing candles are more likely to signal momentum continuation, okay? So if this engulfing pattern plus RSI plus EMA strategy helps you make sense of day trading setups, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe for more clean and actionable strategies. If you want a backtest, a full indicator code or live trade breakdown using this exact method, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.